Hi guys, so welcome back, My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I have a collab, my first ever collab with my girl Shalia. Her name on YouTube is Shesherose, and she is the nicest, the sweetest person to ever wanted to do a collab with me, and I am so excited to do it today. And today's video is gonna be me deep cleaning my master bedroom, and I brought you guys along to tackle the mess with me. But first, I'll let Shalia introduce herself.
Hi guys, my name is Shalia and I am a single mom to a 2-year-old little girl named London. And over on my channel, you will find tons of cleaning motivation, grocery hauls, laundry motivation, deep cleaning motivation, day and night routines, and pretty much any type of motivation that will help get you guys up and ready to tackle your to-do list. So if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, then please make sure you head on over to my channel once you are done watching Gigi's video, and I can't wait to see you guys over there.
Alright, so as you guys saw earlier, I was taking some stuff out, taking some clothes to the laundry, and then my next step in the bathroom is to start spraying so that way it can soak in and I can go back and start scrubbing. So this is what you see me doing here. I'm gonna spray the bathroom, so the shower, the tub, and then I'm gonna start cleaning the sink, the toilet, and throw the garbage away and do all that. Because the reason why I like to do these things first, because it just helped me feel like I'm like halfway done when I'm cleaning, and I don't have trash and clothes and everything around. So I'm gonna leave you guys to enjoy the video, and I'll pop in and out to tell you guys what I'm doing.
You don't have a clue, wouldn't understand if I showed you every bit of me in the palm of your hand. The thought of me is bigger than you know, Stop forsaking everything that I've done. Won't be breaking easily now. I could make it even though the lights are out. So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up. I don't want it, no other way, other way. Tell me straight up. I don't want it, no other way, other way. Trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hell no. Let's make it hit and run till we fall apart. sorrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make it hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. No, they don't pick.
Alright, this part is not a part that I do often, so I decided that since I was doing a deep cleaning, I'm gonna wipe it down, and it was looking a really hot mess, and I didn't want to leave it, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that. And I move on to the shower now. I love this one thing that's in my hand. It gets to the corners and everything, like you can see here. I love this little thing. I had bought it so long ago, but you can change the top, so whenever I finish I just get a new one, and it lasts forever. It lasts months. So if you're looking for something like that, I'll put the link in the description box below.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama, and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No.
Alright guys, so on to the master bedroom now. I'm gonna go ahead and change the curtain first, and then I'm gonna change the sheets and stuff and wipe down all the furnitures because they were kind of dusty. Since I'm doing a deep cleaning, I figured that I would tackle everything, including the curtain, which I don't change every week or every 2 weeks when I'm cleaning, but usually when I'm changing the season, I'll change the colors and change the curtain.
And we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hell no, and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hell no. Yeah, we'll be
Alright, so I wanted to pop in and introduce myself. If you're coming from Shelia's channel, you're new here. Welcome, welcome. My name is Gigi. I'm a wife, a mom of two, boy and girl. My son is the oldest and he's 8.5, and my daughter is turning 7. I do cleaning videos, organizing videos, cooking, and mostly my most interest in all of this is decorating. I love to decorate, but I do pop in some beauty videos in the mix of everything. I like to do my makeup and try on haul because I do like fashion. So if you are interested in these type of videos, do not forget to like this video, comment and subscribe. Most importantly, do not forget to comment and introduce yourself because I would love to get to know you guys.
No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hell no, and do whatever I like. Do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hell no. Yeah, we'll be going all night. We'll be going all night. Hey, like me, I love when you groove like that.
Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, we'd be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, like me up.
Alright guys, so I made a boo-boo. I was supposed to wipe the fan. You see how dirty it is? I was supposed to wipe the fan before I made the bed. I forgot. So right when I was gonna be done in the room, I remember the fan. So I had to get up there and still wipe it. But don't worry, I didn't get the sheets dirty. I just wipe it away from the bed. If you understand that. And I wipe it, make sure I wipe it gently. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to go check my girl out. I will leave her link in the description box so you guys can check her out. I love her. She also have a little girl and she is so cute, so don't forget to go check her out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.